So I cut down some pine branches and I gave them to my goats. I threw them in the yard and wasn't even in the yard. And these two ladies were all over it. This is also supposed to be a great natural dewormer for goats. I think they'll be entertained for a minute. As you see, I took one and shoved it into the side so they could reach at it. I also put one in the corner, and I also put a little one over here. So they have a choice of where they would like to eat, although that corner has been their favorite. That was Hope. They've only been here for 2 days. They were crying yesterday, so they both have lost their voices. What are you doing, Hope? Good girl. They have found the one I put inside, and today it's kind of rainy and breezy and a little chilly. Hi, Hope. Hi, Lacey. My good girls. What are you doing?